Ready to dominate the gridiron with your best buds against the world in Ncaa 25. Let's get into how to assemble your dream team and crush the competition online. First, boot up Ncaa 25 and navigate to the online multiplayer section. This is usually found on the main menu, often labeled as online or multiplayer. Next, explore your game mode options. Look for modes like team play, online dynasty, or head-to-head teams. The exact wording will vary, but you're seeking the area where you can invite friends to join your team and play against other players. Once you've found your desired game mode, the next step is to invite your friends. There should be a clear Invite Friends button or menu option. Click on it and select your buddies from your friends list. Make sure they're online and ready to play. After your friends have joined, it's time to choose your team. Coordinate with your teammates to pick a college team that fits your playstyles. Remember, strategy is key. With your team selected and your opponents locked in, prepare for kickoff. The game will load, and you'll be transported to the virtual gridiron. Work together, communicate effectively, and execute your game plan. Unleash those amazing trick plays, and watch your team rise to glory. Now get out there, team up, and dominate the competition in Ncaa 25.